So hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about to vomit. My name is Glenn and I'm going to teach you some awesome English. So what is vomiting? Vomiting is where food comes from your stomach out of your mouth. So you've already eaten it, it's gone in the stomach, there's something wrong. So your body wants to get rid of it. Probably food poisoning, or maybe you've had too much to drink, then your body's going, nah, this is not good, and you throw it up. So bleh, basically bleh, that's what it is. And everyone should know what that is because everyone around the world has done it. Okay, so to put it in context, we can say I vomited last night because I was sick. Okay, we just use that. I vomited last night. We can say I chundered last night. I threw up. So threw up last night. I spewed. So here we have the ending. So to spew is when you're doing it. To spew. Spewed means you've already done it. So the past. Okay. Bath. I bathed last night. That's used in an American context. In Australia, most of the time we don't use that. But via TV, we have adapted it. Then we got puke. So puked. Chucked. So you know when you chuck something, so you're chucking your vomit out. So I chucked up. Here we go. Here's the past. Chucked up. To chuck up. So if you're going to use it in the future, he is going to chuck up. He is going to puke. I am going to puke. I am puking. I puked. So it gets a bit complex, but it does also become quite easier when you practice it. So I hope this helps you with, learning different versions of to vomit. Because, you're going to go out to a party, someone's going to drink. They're just going to drink too much alcohol. Unless, you're one of those that hangs around people that doesn't drink alcohol. Maybe they'll eat something that's going to make them chunder. And then, they're going to chuck up. And all that puke is just going to go everywhere. And someone, somewhere, has to clean up all that spew. Because, you can't just leave vomit on the ground, on the couch, forever. So, anyway, thank you very much and have an awesome English learning experience. Thank you and goodbye.